Hello and welcome to my channel. This is cryptocurrency trading channel, training and also mentorship. So all my videos I'll be posting mostly on how to trade and make profit on cryptocurrency. Do well to subscribe on my channel to be able to get more videos. Alright, in this video we are going to see how to place a buy limit order to buy a particular coin at a lower price instead of using a market order to buy it immediately. So this order is going to execute whether we are online or we are not online. If you set it up, immediately it gets to the price, it gets executed. So we are using Ethereum. We are going to buy place order to buy Ethereum using BTC. As you can see here, we have the BTC here, and it's only BTC we can be able to use to trade because we have enough BTC. So we click on the Ethereum here, and then from the left hand side we see ETH in the pair of BTC. So we got ahead and click ETH in the pair of BTC to see the trade page. So on this trade page, first of all, we want to monitor the graph, so the chart. So for you to be able to see the chart, you click on the graph here that has green and red going up and down. So you click on the graph to be able to see the chart. So this is the chart, and as you can see, the chart is the prices it keeps going up and down, up and down. Then if you click, this says 1H. On this 1H you can be able to change the timeline of your chart, either 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 1 day, 1 minute, 5 minutes, depending on what you want to use to analyze the market. So we are using 1 hour. So when you see from the right hand side, top right hand side, we see volume high and low. So the high, and also we have low. So what we are going to do is we can place and hold any of the bar on the chart. So we can also go either left ways or right ways to actually look at the bar, what the prices, what actually happened within an hour, because we are viewing the chart within an hour. So on this particular one, if you look on the analysis that appeared by the left hand side, this way: open, high, low, close, CHG, that's change, and also CHG in percentage. You see the volume and then transaction number. So what we are going to now do is, if you look at the within an hour, the price of Ethereum went the low here as the last 1 hour. So we can say that the price is going to also come down within, like this particular one, probably the price will come down like this, or maybe it's not going to be so low, but we are just trying to buy lower. So what we do is, the lower of this particular bar we are analyzing, if you look by the left hand side, the low says 0.032792. okay, so we are going to buy in between the high and the low. So we buy very low to wait so we can be able to sell high. All right, so let me write this down. This is 0.032792. okay, so what we are now going to do is we click on buy. So here we are on the buy. Now the current price of ETH now is the market price is 0.02243. It keeps changing. Do you see that it keeps changing? But that's actually the market price. So for us to be able to buy lower than this, we are buying with BTC, not USDT, because if you are buying with USDT, you see the price or the market price in dollar, right? So but the market price is in BTC because we are buying with BTC. This is just an example. So using our analysis, if you look at here, we are buying with the limit, then the low price of our analysis is actually below this. So what we're now going to do is we say, let's push this down. Instead of buying at the rate of with the price of 0.033396, which, if you look at the market price, this price is actually lower than the market price. So we can also go ahead and push it down more than the market price again. So we can remove these 3 here and put 1. Okay, so now is actually lower than the market price. If you look at the market price is 0.033386 and it keeps changing, then we say whenever the price of Ethereum in BTC goes below or at exactly 0.231396, then we are going to now buy. So let us put the amount of ETH we want to buy. If you want to buy 100% with the 100% of your balance, you click on the 100%. If you want to buy with 75%, you click on 75%. If you want to buy with 50%, you click on 50%. If you want to buy with 25, you click on 25. So we are going to this is such a example. So it's not actually going to execute it. We are going to cancel it, but we have to set it up. This is exactly how to set it up. So we now click on buy. Okay, so it says success. So we go ahead and click on the open orders. So we see the open order here. Do you understand? So you can just close your Binance and go and do whatever you want to do. The market, you have set it up and the market is there waiting to be filled. All right, so that's exactly how to set it up. But in this example, we are going to cancel it because we don't want to buy the Ethereum as it is now. So we go back to the ETH in the pair of BTC. That is actually on the trades page. Then we click on open orders and then click cancel. So it's cancelled. But if you did not cancel it, it will get executed when the price goes below. So if actually you have BUSD, if we have BUSD, you can actually use the BUSD to trade instead of BTC, but in this case we don't have BUSD. So if you click buy here, as you can see, we have 0 BUSD, so we can't actually set a buy order with this. Okay, so that is an example of how to set a buy order to buy lower when the price goes low, and then you wait to sell when the price goes high. All right, so that. Then if this video adds any knowledge to you, if it is helpful at all, kindly click the like button, like the video. But if the video is not good for you, if it didn't add any value to your knowledge or to you at all, please do well also to click the dislike button. Then if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel and put on the notification and get more values. Then as you can see, I give trading signals for you to be able to be if you want to be added on my trading signals. Click on the link below or chat me up on my social media handle, which is snajeze, right? Both Facebook, Instagram and all that. The price to be added on my trading signals group is just $5 only, right? So with that, you can be added on my trading signal.